Hi everyone! I'm Meilen. Welcome to my channel. Ta-da! Today I will be in this cosplay. What do you think? Does it suit me? A little bit about myself. I'm originally from Myanmar, but I've been living in Japan for 8 years now. And I'm living with my beautiful baby. It wasn't that easy to get here. When I first started learning Japanese, it was super tough. What really helped me back then was Japanese anime. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a very terrible singer, but I practiced Japanese anime song over and over, and they became a very fun way to improve my Japanese pronunciation and grammar. On this channel, I cover Japanese anime songs with English subtitles and Romaji lyrics. You can sing along with me and learn Japanese. And I upload videos every week. So let's have fun with the magic of music. I also be cosplaying like this in every video. So you can also enjoy my costumes too. And at the end of every song, you will see a simple Japanese quiz. And if you get the answer right, you will see something special in the next video. Come on, let's make learning Japanese exciting and fun. The next song is Tanjiro no Uta. Don't miss it! Thank you so much for watching. Let's start the journey of learning Japanese through anime songs. If you enjoyed this channel, please give a like. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye!